Today we're going to take a look at the Realvolve integration within the Systems Accelerator Manager, which allows access to the Realvolve Workflows viewer inside of SAM. To utilize this feature, you will need an active Realvolve CRM subscription, as well as a few pieces of information from your Realvolve account. Let's really quickly locate this information. Start by visiting login.realvolve.com and signing into your Realvolve account. From the dashboard, you will be able to gather or denote your user ID. This is a series of numbers found at the end of your URL. As an example, my number is 45760, making this my user ID number. Next, migrate to the top right-hand side and navigate to the Settings section in Realvolve. Once in the Settings, migrate to the Integrations tab and access your Utility API. Mine is marked out as it's not wise to share personal data such as your Utility API on videos. Now that you have this information, let's go ahead and migrate back to the Systems Accelerator Manager. Once in the Integrations tab, click on the Realvolve dropdown, where you can enter your Utility API and user ID. Optionally, you can select the Login button and provide your Realvolve login credentials, and SAM will gather this information for you. It's worth noting, the Systems Accelerator Manager does not store this login information afterwards. After this information is successfully placed, we can migrate back to the left-hand side and access the Workflows viewer. This area is only usable once your Realvolve account is tied to your Systems Accelerator Manager account, so you will need to fill out that information in the Integrations tab before using this area. From here, use the Select a Choice to choose what type of workflow you want to view: contact, property, or transaction. And the system will gather all your workflows that fall into this specific area. After you've selected that, you will see the Select a Workflow, which provides a drop-down list of all the workflows that are available from your account. Select the workflow you want to view. If you need to select a different workflow, click the Search Again button and repeat the process of choosing the type and the specific workflow you want to view. Once you have selected the desired workflow, you can see the workflow as well as all of the templates associated with the specific workflow. Selecting the arrow pointing to the right provides a long ways view, and selecting the arrow pointing down provides a more succinct view of your workflow. From here, you can save the workflow a few ways. Highlight, copy, paste into a secondary location, such as the Google Sheet or Excel document. This method works. However, we have added a print workflow and print template button to allow for an easier experience by allowing you to either print for on-the-go viewing, or in the destination section of the print preview, select Save to a PDF for a safe backup outside of your CRM. From here, you can look forward to future updates in this area that will allow SAM to review this content and offer coaching on how to make your workflows better, the ability to print all of the templates at once, as well as aid in the generation of new content for your templates for your Realvolve workflows. Thanks for watching. Let's make something exceptional together, and let's do it with SAM.